Welcome to Eins Technik Formwork System (EFS). We are pioneers in the manufacturing of aluminium formwork shuttering for more than 10 years. We have state-of-the-art manufacturing facility with an installed production capacity of more than 1,25,000 square meters every month, which makes us the largest manufacturer of aluminium formwork from a single unit in India. Now, we'll give you a glimpse of how a mock-up is installed as per the client's design requirements. Welcome again to Eins Technik Formwork system. Today we are going to walk you through the complete mock-up of EFS Aluminium Formwork system. We'll show you how each component works together to create a safe, efficient and high quality concrete structure. Let's have a look at the skeleton of the system, the deck panels and the prop heads. So next we move to the vertical elements. Here are the wall panels and they have been designed for faster assembly and flawless concrete finishing. We specialize in designing and manufacturing aluminium formwork structures tailored to both simple and highly complex client requirements. For example, this spiral staircase structure, circular window and kitchen slab were custom built to meet a client's unique design specifications. So this mock-up is just a glimpse of what we can achieve from the intricate complex structure to the simple ones. At Eins Technik, we turn design challenges into engineered solutions. Think aluminium formwork, think EFS.